Hello friends, welcome in the Alphabets Reading with Sound series. Part 21. Letter X. Sound Z. Z in Gujarati and Z in Marathi. Let's start our today's topic. Xylophone. 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 Xenon. 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 Xerus. 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 X. Xylem. 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 My dear young friends, letter X sound ksha, ksha. Listen carefully. Box. 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 Ox. 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 Fox. 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 Wax. 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 Candle. A wax candle. 6. Number 6. Six. 6. X. Ex. X. Fax. 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 A fax machine. Text. 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 Text message. Mixture. Mixer. Mixture. Mixture. Mixture grinder. Mixture grinder. Textbook. 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 Taxi. 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 Relax. 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 Relax time. My dear young friends, read the words. Goodbye. Meet you soon in next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also visit my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram account. Goodbye friends.